At Katya's kitchen today we will cook very tender and juicy chicken tabaka and serve it with delicious tomato sauce. You will need very little amount of ingredients, actually chicken and seasonings. For the best results, use whole Cornish hen. The smaller the chicken, the juicier and better it gets cooked. When the chicken cleaned and dried with a paper towel, cut it in the center by butterflying the chicken. Put it in a plastic bag and using meat tenderizer, flatten the chicken nicely. I use the plastic bag just to eliminate the mess from flattening the chicken. And now we can coat the chicken with seasonings. Add salt, black pepper, and crushed garlic. Rub it from one side, then turn it over and do the same thing on the other side. Give the chicken a little gentle massage so the seasoning can cover every single part of the chicken. Leave it on the side for a couple of hours to get it a little marinated. You also can marinate it the day before and leave it in the refrigerator overnight until you're ready to serve it. Mine was marinated overnight. Pour vegetable oil on preheated frying pan and put the chicken on the back side first. Cover it with the plate and put some extra weight on it. I will use the pot with water. Cook it on the medium to low heat for 15 minutes. Then turn it over and do the same thing on the other side. Also cook it for 15 minutes. This is a pan fried using a press down method. The idea is to keep the chicken as flat as possible. Continue with the process until all your prepared chickens are cooked. I'm serving dinner for two. I suggest to cook it and eat it right away so you can get the best result: juicy meat and crispy skin. Now we will make incredible special sauce which goes amazing with this chicken. All you will need for that: tomato juice, chopped cilantro, minced garlic, salt, black pepper to your taste, and if you like, you can add a little Tabasco to make your sauce a little bit more spicier. This chicken could be served with any of your favorite side dish: mashed potato, rice, or vegetables. My family enjoy it without any side dish, but with the delicious tomato sauce. So, just serve the plates and enjoy.
Yummy.
Thank you for visiting Katya's kitchen. Come back again for simple and delicious recipes.